Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to prevent someone from seeing your about information on WhatsApp. Whether you want a little more privacy or just need to hide that part of your profile from specific people, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, grab your phone and open the WhatsApp app. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots that open the menu. Tap on those three dots, and from the list that appears, choose Settings. Next, in the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy. This is where WhatsApp stores all your privacy-related options, settings for your profile photo, status, last seen, and of course, your About section. Now, look for the option labeled About. Go ahead and tap it. Here you'll see a few visibility options like Everyone, My Contacts, and Nobody, but the one you're looking for is My Contacts Except. Tap on My Contacts Except and WhatsApp will open your contact list. This is where you can handpick anyone you want to hide your about info from. Simply tap on the contacts you want to exclude. You'll notice a small check mark next to each selected name. Once you've selected everyone you want to restrict, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the check mark to confirm your choices. That's it. Those specific contacts will no longer see your about information, while the rest of your friends and family still can. This feature is perfect if you want to control who knows a little more about you without going fully invisible. Privacy on WhatsApp is in your hands, and this quick tweak gives you the freedom to keep your profile just the way you want it. So, next time you update your about status, you can do it confidently, knowing only the people you trust will be able to see it.